Guys, back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. So I am back with another video where we're going to do our monthly niche idea design. We've already done one, which was graduation. We have two more left to put in the spin the wheel or the wheel of names, whatever you want to call it. But make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So I am going to go over to the wheel of names. I'm going to go ahead and let it rip. And we have Father's Day. So we have a journal cover and a journal interior. So I think I'm going to go do a journal cover. Let's go see what our templates have, okay? So there's more stuff like Happy Father's Day. I kind of like these ties on here, but I want to possibly do something else. So probably gonna use that, maybe a darker background. Let's see. Take that yellow. I think there were some dots that were yellow. Or maybe not. But this was yellow, so we want to make that black. And I'm going to ungroup this. I'm going to take a that. Guess you can't change the color of that. So let's figure out a good scene. Let's go to Pinterest real quick. Ooh, I have a hero. I call him Dad. So this is cute because the journal cover has ties. So we can put for dads who are sick of ties. That should be cute. Let me go ahead and get a line. And it's cute because the idea of this is to give them a journal, but on the journal, the cover says for dads who are sick of ties. So instead of getting you a tie this year, we got you a journal to write in. So that's what will make this like a not like a gift, but something different versus it being a tie. So put that right there. I think that looks really good. Probably want to duplicate this and flip it. And then I'm going to put this on the back. Something like that. Now move these dots. All right, move these dots down here. Okay. And then we're gonna make this line transparent, and we have a journal cover for dads who are sick of ties. Super cute and quick idea to create for Father's Day. So I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly niche idea design, and make sure you come back for the very last one, which will be a journal interior. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.